This is iTRIZtv. I'm Valery Prushinsky. Finally, new patent application of sliding smartphone filed by Apple was published this week. What was proposed by inventors so they can expand display at least twice? We will discover it from patent application. These are drawings of the concept from the application, and as you can see, part of the display is outside of the device and it is highlighted by blue color, and second part, which is highlighted by purple color, is inside the device. But if one pull the edge of the device, the second part of the display will appear and will go outside, so that internal part will increase the size of display at least twice, because the end of this flexible display is fixed by tensioning system, which is simplified and depicted on this picture by little spring. Inventors proposed number of versions how to open the concept and increase the size of the display. So first one is simplest. Flexible display is simply wrapped around the body. Next version is little bit more complex. This is as folded flexible display. And finally, third version, which is flexible display wrapped around body, like number 6 or sigma, so it can go around at least 1.5 times. Personally, I like this concept most of all, because display here is outside the device and it doesn't take any space inside the phone, and that's why it's wrapped around the body. In this case, it looks better, the radius of bending is bigger, and also it may be possible to use this side of the display for notification, and it looks like it is hybrid of slidable and rollable device, because flexible display is wrapped around the body and this part is sliding out. And recently I told about patent application filed by LG where inventors proposed hybrid of 3 devices: foldable, rollable and slidable. And you can watch this video now by pressing this link. Don't forget that this is still patent application filed by Apple, so let's wait and see how these ideas will be applied in next generation of the smartphones with expandable, flexible display. And if you like this video, like and subscribe and watch more videos about new patents of modern technology companies. Thank you for learning trees with iTRIZtv. See you next time.